Hello, and thank you for checking out my channel today. I have been wanting to try the plastic on t-shirt material to see if that would work by ironing a design on. So come along with me and let's just see how this turns out. The last time I tried this, I did it with a bag and I wanted to try it on a shirt and just see how it would work out. Here is my saran wrap that I have, and this is one idea you can do. I love this saran wrap cutter, by the way. This thing is amazing. It is so nice just to be able to cut it off and not fight with the box. But I'm just going to rip a piece of paper off here and just show you how you could take clothing or whatever and just seal it just like that. And then you can do it that way. Or the other way you can do it, in this project, I'm just going to use a baggie and see how well that works. This shirt is made out of 60% cotton and 40% polyester. So I'm going to give this a try and see how well this works. I think it would be great, like if you were headed to, going to a ball game or going to Walt Disney World. You could design your own t-shirts with doing something like this. Now, on how well it will hold up, I don't know the answer to that. I would think washing it definitely in a machine is not going to be good for it. You could try hand washing it. The worst thing that could happen would be if it fell off, you could just reapply it. That's what I would do. But I thought, for a fun day or say for a cheerleading squad or, you can just kind of design it for the day. What a fun way to decorate a t-shirt. Here I'm just going to go ahead and find the middle and get ready to place my design on here. I went to Walmart. If you're looking for this fabric, you can find it at Walmart. I just bought a fat quarter. I think it was like 97 cents or something like that. But I thought it'd be so much fun to just take a Mickey Mouse and put it on the shirt and just see how well that worked using a baggie. I was looking for something that was a circle in my sewing room, and I always have these tapes in my sewing room, and they're just perfect. This one especially works. It goes right where I need it to be, and I'm going to draw a little circle with my water erase pen. These are actually, I don't know if they're still on sale on Amazon, but you get like 10 of them for $8 or $7.97. I couldn't believe the deal, and I bought them, and they're excellent. I love them. So I can leave a link to them, and hopefully they're still on sale if you need these. But once I get the circle drawn, I'm going to go ahead and give that a cut that out. Even though it is kind of in the middle of the fabric, I'll still be able to use this fabric. Now I'm just going to take a plastic Ziploc bag and I'm going to stick the design inside there. You are going to want to leave a little bit of plastic all the way around the edge because that's what's going to hold it down. If you go right up next to the design, it's not going to stay on the shirt. Here you just want to hold it really tight and make sure it doesn't slip away. Here I'm just trying to be careful to make sure I still have the back and the front covering exactly the area of this design that I want it covered. So you do have to be a little careful. It's like fussy cutting it exactly how you need it to be. Now on to getting the iron ready, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put parchment paper over the top of this. I will say I tried another design earlier and I put the iron because in my last video somebody said to put it on high heat. I did not have really good luck with that. I turned mine down a little and it seemed to work better. Not super low, but not as high as it can go either. I'm just double checking to make sure it's really centered well, and I'll grab my iron and I'm just gonna let that heat it up. I didn't want to leave it, but I don't know, at the beginning of this I really don't like to move it around too much because I really want it to melt that plastic. Just kind of watch it. What a fun way to change a plain t-shirt into something a little bit more exciting, maybe for the day. You can see right there, I could turn it on high, but I don't want to keep it there. Oh, I just love how that turned out. Just perfect. Just what I was hoping for. You could do this to blue jeans. You could do this to so many different things. Different bags, your lunch pail. There's just sky's the limit. So much fun. I was just looking at this thing, wondering if I should add more to it or just leave it plain like this. I really like the Mickey Mouse, but in these corners, you could just keep adding. It's hard to stop once you start because it's so much fun. You could do the back of the shirt, front of the shirt. So neat that you can do this. And I decided I just want to go over the edge one more time. You want to try to do that a couple times just to make sure you got the edges really good. If there's any edges coming up, you definitely want to reseal them down. And it's just so much fun to do this. It just opens the door for so many other ideas, like a purse. You could do something to a purse depending on what type of material it was. I was even thinking rope bowl. Look how well that sealed, and by cutting all the plastic off, you hardly see any of that, and the inside of the shirt is just fine. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing, and I'd like to thank you so much for watching.